Excuse me, waiter.
Oh, no, I'm actually the owner here.
Oh, I'm sorry. Can I get a table for one?
Of course. I can seat you right now. Please
Hey,
come.
honey, can I get something to eat today?
Excuse me, ma'am. How many times do I gotta tell you that you're not welcome here?
Honey, please. I'm just really hungry. Anything will do.
Well, you should have thought of that years ago and learned your lesson when you used to work here, Paul. It seems like every time there was someone in need, you would just help them. Like that one homeless woman with the two colored eyes. I mean, how am I supposed to stay in business? It's not my fault that she's homeless. We're not in the business of helping people out. We're in the business of selling meals. Now, get out of here before you scare my customers away.
Sorry to interrupt, but do you have a table for two available instead?
Yes, can I ask why?
I would like to treat Paul here to a nice warm meal.
I'm sorry, ma'am, but he's not welcome in this restaurant.
I wish you would reconsider. You see, a few years ago, I had just moved to this city, and I ended up becoming homeless. I would sleep outside of restaurants, and people like Paul would help me by giving me hot meals. If it wasn't for people like him, I don't know if I would have made it. As a matter of fact, it was actually Paul who was helping me. I was the homeless lady with the two colored eyes.
That's a really sweet story and all, ma'am, but he's not welcome in this restaurant. You can take your business elsewhere before I let that happen.
Okay. Before I go, have you ever heard of DM Capital?
Of course, they're my biggest client. I probably wouldn't be in business without them.
Well, I'm Catherine Lilly, the CEO and founder of DM Capital. And from now on, we're going to be taking our business elsewhere and spending our dollars on companies that are about helping people, not selling meals. Come on, I know a great spot around the corner we can grab something.
Miss, I don't even know how to say thank you.
Don't even worry about it. And by the way, we're hiring. And I could use a guy like you.
God bless you, man. This is gonna change my life.
Wow. You helped change mine. Come on.